Hello, ladies and gents. Welcome back. It's Lachlan Ellsworth here again, just to keep you updated on how we're going trading wise. Now, tonight being Friday the 13th, for those that are a little, it's not suspicious. What is it? Friday the 13th. Superstitious. For those who are a bit superstitious, I think your fears could have been highlighted in the market tonight. We had a really unexciting night, and I tell you why, ladies and gents. The pro trader, or the person that has actually taught me how to trade, I was logged into their live trading room, and was actually advised by the pro trader to stay out of the market for a period which is highlighted here, as you can see with the purple band. Now, the reason being is we started the session. We were in a buy bias, and we'd actually had a buy, like literally a buy trend or an uptrend already initiated. Now, we jumped in here, and literally within about 35 or 40 seconds, I had around all this massive up run just here, painted on the charts, like bang, literally in one go. And on one of these candles, this big green one here, we had over 1,200 contracts per candle, and normally I get around 300, 350. As it turns out, we actually had to wait for the market to quieten down a bit before we decided to do anything. Now, you note with interest too that we go from this area here, and then we start to get affected by the euro. The Euro Stoxx 50 was actually trading very, very flat, so that actually kept us in a really, really tight trading range. Interesting point about tight trading range, I actually got no signals, no high probability signals that actually match our plan. Now that takes me through to the mid-session bar. You'll see that there are no green or red arrows at all. Now we run through this euro flat trading session here through to this signal here. It wasn't actually a proper signal. The reason being is that we didn't actually get the M2 indicator that I was after. So talk about an unexciting end to the week. What actually happened is we ran the index down around 3.5 points. No signal to get into it. What does that mean? We've actually left the second night this week, zero trades. So we had no trades. And again, the critics out there will go, oh, Lockie, you didn't make any money. It's like, well, no, we didn't, but we didn't lose any either. I will say though, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday was still up over 150% return for the week. So it's not a bad week. Put that into perspective. If you're a one contract trader, and so a baby trader, you're up 150% on what, $1,000 contract. You're actually up $1,500 US. On the flip side, the 10 contract traders, of which there are many out there, 150%, they're up 15,000 US, even though we didn't get a signal Friday night or Thursday night. So look, we keep on bopping along. It keeps on being in the positive. That's why we have a trading plan. That's why we're disciplined. That's why we're patient. And ultimately, if we finish every week in the green and every month in the green, then every year in the green, I think we're going to have an absolute ball. We really are. Now, congratulations again for those that have been to the webinar and found out how we do what we do. If you do want to come along, simply jump on the website. It's tradeforyourfuture.com.au. Click on this little link down the bottom here and actually find out firsthand how we do what we do. I'm going to finish the weekly summary very shortly. Ultimately, we are over 150% return for the week, so a reasonable week, I've got to say, even though the last 2 days were a bit lame. All right, that's enough from me. Have an absolutely brilliant night tonight. For those that are a little superstitious, I hope Friday the 13th is kind to you. And have a brilliant weekend. And I look forward to updating you on the trading next week. Have a brilliant night, and bye for now.